Whispers from the Brighter World. Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Thursday, September 23rd, 1999, 10 a.m. Will is an important aspect of a spiritual practice. We do not emphasize enough this quality. One needs much of it. There too, it is a series of new beginnings. To advance on a way without having visible reference marks requires a certain degree of perseverance. Nothing is acquired without effort. In this field, like elsewhere, the will is the determining factor. Surrender and will are complementary. They are not contradictory but necessary. Nothing is easy in this world. From the first moment, when as a newborn you utter your first cry, until your dying breath, a long succession of efforts are required by you. In happy moments as in unhappy ones, your head must think and your body act until the end of your life. Babuji. Friday, September 24th, 1999, 8 a.m. Never forget that the divine essence which is inside you is pure. You must see to it to adjust yourself as fittingly as possible to this state through constant research and observation. Your thoughts and your acts must be in keeping with this harmony which dwells in you. It is not easy to drive away certain human feelings and reactions about events or behaviors. Having reached a certain level of evolution, a constant watch over oneself must be exercised, even if sometimes you reach a limit and the last straw is inevitable. These circumstances also must be positive. One must learn from them and see how to protect oneself from blows. One must imagine himself irreproachable, invulnerable, in short, out of reach mentally and physically. He must also see himself mantled in a kind of divine armor on which anything secondary and finally unimportant glances off. Meditate well on this aspect. Babuji. Friday, September 24th, 1999, 10 a.m. There lies the secret, detachment from life's events. The interiorization process can really start only when you can cut yourselves off completely from what surrounds you, when you so wish. One's mind must be disciplined, like a restive horse under the expert hand of the rider. You must be able to close the door to the world when you find it necessary, and generally, you should not let yourself be affected when you are in the movement of life. You must carry out a complete work of observing your reactions, your behaviors, and even if you fall sometimes, never lose heart in the face of difficulty. You will derive from these extremely tasty fruits and you will not regret your efforts. Try. Babuji.